Do you remember the character from the Marvel's comic, Chan-Lu, where he absorbed the radiant without any harm to himself? Well, that's only a fiction on a comic.
But in reality, there are one amazing microbe that does the same thing, called DEINOCOCCUS radiodurans. DEINOCOCCUS radiodurans is one of the first bacteria here on Earth, and he got a superpower, the ability to survive the chronic radiation.
We always experience harmless radiation like beta and alpha radiation, but chronic radiation is the harmful of gamma particle that can penetrate your tissue and instantly kill. However, this tiny organism can living up in a radiation to 3,000 times greater. It may seem like nothing, right? Well, DEINOCOCCUS radiodurans is gonna be living force in some we call terraforming, which
make other planets, like for example, Mars, suitable for human to live.
in fact, radiodurans has a special DNA that resists the process of oxidation, where the reaction damage the cell membrane, causing cancer and genetic mutation.
Radioduran also has the DNA to produce the minerals such as manganese for the cancer fighting. And since the radioduran is natural, the scientists can add the genes to create a new medicine that has never been seen before.
Although small radiation occur naturally, but there are areas in the world that dangerously with high radioactive wave causing problems like contamination water supply. With radiodurans, scientists also use this organism for the beginning of bioremediation, which is a natural way to break down the hazard to non-toxic chemical. In addition, radiodurans is able to digest for the plant's biomass. It can digest glucose and complex polymers that make up the plant biomass. On molecular level, radiodurans use a series of enzymes that stick to the bacteria's membrane and cut up the polymer into smaller chains and brought to the cytoplasm of the bacteria to complete the digestion process. This ability could transform the plant waste into industrial goods. How did they do it?
Exposure to harsh conditions such as extreme temperature and gamma ray damage the DNA of most living organisms, eventually killing their cell. However, when it backs to normal condition, radiodurans is able to stick together fragments of its broken DNA, putting them back into the right order, and in less than 3 hours, the bacteria return to the life and start multiplying as normal. This way, it resists mutation in the genes that make it important in finding cure for cancer that caused by the cell mutations.
They also have a special disposal system where the damaged DNA, they can toss it away and continue making a flawless genes.
The best part with radiodurans is the fact that they are the organism with a potential in every area of science.
So guys, the answer with a lot of riddles that the scientist faces today can be found here in nature, and that's what is worth to celebrate for. Thank you.